Hi everybody, this is Kevin Lim, chef and owner of Mean Noodles here in Hong Kong. Today I'm going to share with you another simple and easy to make recipe for parties, and you can feel free to dip this with pita chips, tortillas, or even vegetables in that case. So today I'm going to share with you a sun-dried tomato hummus dip, and it's my little twist on it, but feel free to change the sun-dried tomato and use roasted garlics from my sous vide short rib recipe, or even chipotle, or whatever you prefer. You could even use Korean gochujang, anything will do. Join me and make this sun-dried tomato hummus dip. Let's go! So again, in this recipe, we are using our handy dandy food processor. In this recipe, I've actually strained out all the liquid from the sun-dried tomato and the garbanzo beans. And we just combine everything into the food processor. And here you can see I'm omitting the salt, just because there is already some salt from the sun-dried tomatoes. So once you have everything combined, just turn it on, and depending on how fine you want it again, blend it to the consistency that you're looking for. So here I'm just tasting it just to make sure it's seasoned correctly, but as you can tell, it wasn't salty enough, so I'm just adding some extra salt and then just blending it again. So now once we're done, I'm just going to pour it out into a bowl nicely for presentation. You can see I am creating a mound from this and then just making a little divot in the middle where I will be adding the olive oil and also some sun-dried tomatoes. So depending on what you're using as the flavoring, you can put that in the middle just to signify what flavor it is. So this is the pita bread. Yes, you can see my knife is not too sharp. I need to sharpen it. Or you can use a serrated knife, which will help with cutting bread. So after cutting it, just peel the pita bread into two pieces, or just separating the two halves. I'm just going to brush some olive oil on it and season it with salt and pepper. So after you've brushed it with some olive oil and also seasoned it with salt and pepper, you can actually just saute it in a pan, low heat. And then once you have it in the pan, you could brush the other side with olive oil and then also season it with salt and pepper. And when that side's done, you just flip it over and finish it up. So this is how you make my sun-dried tomato hummus dip. As I mentioned, feel free to change the sun-dried tomato part around. In my case, I've made it with chipotle before. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification button. And if you have any questions or comments or suggestions for future videos, please leave it in the comments below. I'll see you next time. Bye!